BJP hits back at CM Biren over joining of Congress MLAs into BJP fold remarks. IED exploded at Kokching, no casualties. Historic Paraman Imam Market clean under Swat Survection 2020. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. Former Chief Minister and Congress Legislature Party CLP leader Ibobi Singh today hit back at Chief Minister and Biren over his recent claim that some disgruntled Congress MLAs would soon join the fold of Bharatiya Janata Party unit of Manipur. He rubbished the claim. The three-time Chief Minister accused the Saffron Party of playing dirty politics to cover up the internal conflict within the ruling party. Addressing media at Congress Bhavan BT Road, Ibobi further mentioned the Congress' 15-year-long stint in Manipur. Singh also attacked the BJP for allegedly attempting to modify the constitution by misusing power. Without naming anybody, Ibobi Singh described as an act of insulting democratic setup that a Congress MLA taking oath as the minister of the BJP-led government. He said Congress will continue to work as a responsible opposition party.
Guide over Hydra, Kari Hydra, Hana Chatkiba, Koi Party de Chatkiba, me Taret Nipan, Huzik, Taret Amasu, Adam House the Akoihatum Paminarieva. Other Sigu Mina, Akoi misguide over city, Akoi Hana Sukat on the Koi Tauhidre, Koi di Adu may walk on late, Koi Huzik, Lajari Bekrase, unitedly, Koi Party the commitment. Amaga loinana koi Manipur ki prajas ki seba tausi koi su matam sungsoi soina lakani rajniti haibasidi ups and down koi adum amuk power pai ba amuk pai daba chap manabani an taujasunu mayam ki seba taujasunu praja singbu nungai haladi haidana koi atumai leijabani haiduna koi press ki senau singi through da Manipur ki praja singda Akoi Manunda, Congress Manunda, Ladiba, Koi Kara Haibatare, Lajari Basi, Koi Upse, Lingjan Manana, solidly, unitedly, Matamgi issue Laputa, Akoi as a responsible opposition among Wina, Koi issues in Sipajana, Koi Tianaba Haibasi, Koi Tony.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam claimed that BJP in Manipur is an alienated party facing inner conflict which has also been trying to conceal their blunders from the public eyes. But the crisis has come to the fore, he added. Gai Khangam claimed that given the leadership crisis within Biren government, president rule can come anytime in Manipur. The PCC chief also took a pot shot at Biren for his recent remarks that some Congress MLAs were waiting to join BJP.
Lakadariva 2022 election sidi koi thumping majority pairkanda amuk hanna Manipur praja seba pungphana seba thangana honasi haiba pandam madura sangsalakpa du ma party ni kono khange marakasi sidu leiriba koi Congress akana BJP party ruling party asigi manungi sainari ba Kanari ba aduga makoi masen se kali haini yanada ba mase mayam kaithen thobani mayam hene khange masina maram moidana anytime PR phau lakadar akiba leiriba masi manakta mitam pol su lakpa yai hana leiriba sida any eventuality da koi masi prepare to mit to na prepare to dabya de haibron da koi unitedly stand to na koi sangsel lakli issue between from time to time issue things that ekoi low ya stand aduga lepa ya stand mayam lep praja sing khanli praja sing samin nari su pun khang ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯍꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯠꯅꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯀꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ MLAꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯉꯥꯡꯕꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯊꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯨꯛꯂꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯒꯦ.
A powerful improvised explosive device IED exploded in front of a shop at Kakching Khong, Maripangba KMC Road under Kakching Police Station in the wee hours today. The shop belongs to one Pukrambam Angobi, wife of late Pukrambam Joy, according to a report. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast. A Kakching police team rushed to the site before a forensic science team arrived there. A case has been registered over the incident. Meanwhile, registering a protest actions against the blast, Kakching residents stayed sitting at Kakching Kakhong Khongnang Maripangba waiting shade. The demonstrator condemned the incident. Meanwhile, demanding immediate release, M. Ngongocha Maitai, irate locals blocked Tidim Road in Bangla area of Kumbi under Bishnupur district this morning. According to media reports, Ngongocha, aged 49 years, was arrested by 25 Assam rifles posted at Kheljang of Churachandpur district on the pretext of having a chat with him last evening at around 5, but later he was handed over to Churachandpur police station by the Assam rifles. Following which, residents of Bangla protested against the arrest. However, the protest reportedly ended after police officials intervened. But the protester warned of a series of agitations if Ngongocha is not released without any condition at the earliest. As part of the Swachh Survekshan 2020, a one-day awareness program on the adverse effect of plastic use in the environment was conducted at Kwaramban Imam Market in Imphal City today. The awareness program was jointly organized by Mahud Department and Imphal Municipal Council. Officials of Mahud and IMC, Manipur Police, Manipur Fire Service and members of KEDO cleaned Imam Markets and its surroundings. Taking part in the program, Mahud Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stressed on the need to keep Kwaramban Market clean, saying the market is the mirror of Manipur society. He urged the people and the vendors of Ima Kaithil to maintain cleanliness in and around the market. Shyamkumar also appealed for making Imphal City clean by cultivating the habit of disposing garbage at proper places. The minister further appealed to the vendors to opt for an eco-friendly one instead of plastic.
Imphal city se phambiriba dukan phambiriba pot jombiriba amadi karba tabu mayam singna isa gi phambiba jaga isa gi leiba dukan sing adu isa gi sakhum mangne isa gi tumnaba phamung ni khallakanda wakhadu selakanda de koi nana luna thamngam ganeba.
Cultural Forum Manipur released a Manipuri translated book, Kanthapura, today at Hindi Parishad located at Rupmahal Teng, BT Road. The book, written by Raja Rao in Hindi, is translated into Manipuri by Haikrujam Shyam Sundar. Speaking about the book, Shyam Sundar said that the book conveys the message of peace and that he wants to give the same message to the people of Manipur. Former Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor Naurim Khagendra Singh, President of Cultural Forum Manipur, Professor Huirem Birohari Singh, Convener of Manipur Advisory Board Sahitya Academy, Nongmaitem Kiran Kumar Singh, former Head of Department of English, Manipur University KH Kunjo Singh attended the function. A host of literature enthusiasts were present at the book release.
Raja Rao haibasi prithibida masak khangaba adugumba powerba novelist ne aduga magi Kanthapura hairiba novel sinasu khwaidagi hena maming chatpa apaba singbu humna puba ngamba adugumba powerba novel ni masi aina handokjaraga classic oiraba sigumba novel se aina Manipuri da handokjaraga Manipur gi sahitya gi pukai sida ai thamjaning badagi handokjarubani masi gi lairik se Kanthapura hairi se masi shanti gi aidi ahingsa gi khongjang se masina khwaidagi hena achumba Maikei da puri bani mayam se masigi matung in sangsil laboi joy oidaba leite haibase masigi paujene mayam da pijaningi se.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. Coming up next is title holders of the 4th Miss and Mrs. Iowa India 2019 felicitated by National Directorate of Iowa, India.
nupi ekhoi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausai khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi ekhoi jingnaningai oidre ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudol.
Welcome back after the break. Title holders of the 4th Miss and Mrs. Iowa India 2019 were felicitated by National Director of Iowa India at Hotel Imphal today. The beauty pageant was held on September 24th to 28th in Mumbai. During the pageant, Mrs. Haripriya Tongbram, a news anchor of TOMTV, bagged the Mrs. Photogenic in the Mrs. category, while in the same category, Mrs. Victoria Okram bagged the first runners-up title. In the Miss category, Jessica Lystrom won the second runners-up title and Miss Best Work. Mercy Krajam won the Best Smile title and Charisma Laima Pokpam bagged the Best Fitness title.
Ado hantak se 2019 gi oina Miss and Mrs. Iowa India pangthokre Bombay da aduga Manipur da gi su adum chahi khuding gi su winners yawe hantak su winners yawre khoi gi Manipur gi oina moi khoi gi chahi khuding gi chatliba mi sing da gi khoi mi atopa me ama chat padu da khara khatang adum yawne do apart from the luckily they have got subtitles remaining are got subtitles and brand ambassador as well.
Voluntary Network for Green Earth Kangabok planted saplings dedicated to the ladies along the Arong Turel Kangabok. Talking about the program, convener of the network L. Deben said that planting more trees dedicating to our brothers and sisters is good for the environment. It may be mentioned that a tree plantation drive by the network came to an end, which began on World Environment Day on June 5th this year.
ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯄꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯕꯨꯡ ꯃꯧꯄ꯭ꯋꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗ ꯎꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯣꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯐꯤꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯎꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯂꯩ.
Under the Ministry of Road Transport, the National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited (NHIDCL) kicked off a campaign on recycling of plastic waste at the Thawbal Mela ground today. The event will continue till 27th of this month. At the opening day, a public awareness rally conveying messages on putting a stop to single use of plastic was held. The rally was jointly flagged off by Superintendent of Police Thawbal Dr. S. Ibomcha and Director of NHIDCL Headquarters Satyabatra Sahu from Thawbal Municipal Council Office Complex, which culminated at Thawbal Mela ground. Deputy Commissioner of Thawbal and Bandana was the chief guest of the event. Addressing the gathering, Satyabatra Sahu explained about the objective of the campaign as putting a stop to single-use plastic and also commemorating 150th birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He also informed that NHIDCL will start a project for construction of a 50-kilometer-long road using plastic.
Tomorrow, the Honorable Prime Minister will declare our country as open defecation free from 2014 till 19. All of you, all the people of the country.
On the other hand, DC and Bandana loaded NHIDCL for the new innovative idea on recycling of plastic waste. She also urged the masses to use multiple-use plastic instead of single-use one.
No single-use plastic. Amukdang sinarga use and throw minus naba plastic singse sinabira no na koi katna Prime Minister Modi ji makhada koi hona zabani basta koi Thawbal district administration su kana hona zari madura library basing su koi 100% support of you and haibaningi.
Celebrating 123rd birth anniversary of Lamjingbatomtv Irabot, the Karang Island Irabot Celebration Committee organized a two-day social service cum cultural program on September 29 and 30. Colorful cultural dances and music were showcased during the closing day. At the event, Yuba Puruskar awardee 2019 Jiten OINAM was felicitated in the presence of Thanga Part 1 Gram Panchayat Pradhan S. Athoiba and ward member S. Nodia Chan. District Water and Sanitation Committee Jiribam observed nationwide Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, which began from September 11. A public awareness program on single-use plastic management was held at the premises of Lalpani Government High School, LGH, which was followed by a rally. Talking to Media Executive Engineer of PHED Jiribam, H. Bhushan, urged the public for proper disposal of plastic waste.
September ki tarama thoi taki koi hayeng October ki kano baba ani bok chatha ka tuba koi ARP program ko plus mahane ki thindi plastic waste awareness and management hai bane ba sigi makha da koina tarik ama tarama thoi taki makha sum mathang chatha jar ko ngasi sigi school se da koina awareness program ama kadak tuk ja bane.
The Anal Naga Tangpi ANTA, the apex body of the Anal Naga tribe, has endorsed support to the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed on August 3, 2015 in New Delhi between the Government of India and NSC and IM. In a press note, ANTA appreciated Naga Talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi and NSC and IM General Secretary T.H. Muiva and Chairman of the outfit late Isaac G.C. Su for signing the historic document. ANTA further appealed to the two negotiating parties to bring the protected Indo-Naga issue to an honorable and acceptable settlement at the earliest. District Social Welfare Office DSWO Jiribam observed the International Day of Older Persons at Deputy Commissioner Office Complex Jingdong Laikai Jiribam under the theme The Journey of Age Equality today. Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam Mayang Lambam Rajkumar, in charge of DSWO Jiribam, Chairperson of Jiribam Municipal Council JMC S. Santi Devi, CMO Jiribam E. Okendro took the days at the observance. In his speech, Deputy Commissioner Rajkumar called for taking care of elders and learning values from them. He said that there are 3 stages in one life: living under care of parents, working stage, and seeing our child growing up. He added that the society develops if the youth help older persons. Elderly people who were present at the function were presented with gifts. Working Women Forum Manipur observed the Senior Citizens Day 2019 at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. The function was organized by the forum in collaboration with District Legal Services Imphal West under MAS-LSA.
Adhikar, magi right. Miyoi na polpagi magi pangbam tokpo chakthung. Si panghanna buhanab darang ji changyab hingna na bagi lambi asida apan ba pirakdo human rights violate tawba human rights observe tawdaba human rights singnar payoradi madu yade ai khoina tawkhiba noi bu semukgi damta tha mata lupa lising ahum di pension pigada bani ase laubi madu biren ginar kung yohon gani mani ga yakana dai logani demand chathagani madu gi andolon sagakani.
Welcome back after the break. Sanjimbam Gram Panchayat, in collaboration with District Water and Sanitation Committee, Bishnupur organized an awareness program on solid waste management and single-use plastic today at the community hall of Khas Sanjimbam, Bishnupur. The program aims to maintain a healthy and clean society. Attending the program as resource person, Assistant Secretary of People's Resource Development Association, PRDA, Bishnupur and Bishnupur correspondent of TOMTV, Dr. H. Roman, delivered on ill impacts of plastic on one health. On the other hand, Pradhan and Birjit stress on the key role of public in the effort to keep the society clean and free of diseases.
Bora apa kala cahil cahil kedua yonbiro kisidan patara lima takkan iran de laki hai ado launch karo bani soidana lagani masih mayam chandana plastic si bajna pagada lambi sokta sai dida akawa ade kodi bajna maru roisen diwa ma samari.
In a road mishap, one woman was seriously injured when her two-wheeler collided with a Tata DI this afternoon at Langtabal, as per report. The injured was rushed to a nearby hospital. State NCD Cell, National Health Mission Manipur, in association with District NCD Cell, Imphal East, and NCD Cell Imphal West and Manipur Heart Foundation observed the International Day for Elderly People and World Heart Day at the Medical Directorate, Lamphilpat today. As a part of today's event, a joint medical team of Manipur Heart Foundation, Wangoi Community Health Center, Primary Health Center Haingang, and Community Health Center Semai conducted a heart disease screening camp.
Hajikse khoi jathari jariba hello center singda khoi khangan janing se khoi hello center amada khoi patient manga muki changda khoi koina yum da chatlaga khoi leite lairaba sing organizer sing de chum chatlaga khoi staff sing nursing ANM sing na khoi bu yum da seba to bagi facility amasu khoi leidi habadum mayam da khangan janingi.
Assam Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma claimed that the Saffron Party would win all the 4 seats in the ensuing by-election in the state. According to reports, Himanta said this while taking part in a huge rally taken out for filing nomination paper by BJP candidate Rajan Thakur for the by-poll in 74 Rangapara LAC in Sotinpur district, Assam. He was accompanied by Tejpur MP Pallab Lochan Das, Daikhajilu MLA Asok Singhal Birchalal MLA, Ganesh Limbu, and Tejpur MLA Brindaban Goswami. A day after media reports of NSC and IM leader Twingalin Muiva and 2 former party mates, Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Y Patton and opposition Naga People's Front NPF DR Jailiang over a possible change in GERD in Nagaland, what the leaders today refuted the news and termed it false and fabricated. According to reports, Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patton said the rumors that is doing round in social media wherein he was alleged to have met collective leadership along with former CM and present leader of opposition in the state TR jail for possible change of guard is totally false. In a joint operation, the army and police have apprehended 6 anti-FBs militants in western Assam, Kokrajhar district. Acting on an intelligence input about the presence of anti-FBs militants at Raimana area near Akashiguri in Ripu Reserve Forest of the district, a team of army and police launched an operation in the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday and managed to nab the 6 anti-FBs rebel. The arrested anti-FBs rebel have been identified as Bhaigya, Basurmati alias Belram, Ranjola Wari alias Gopla alias W. Raithap, Rubiram Goria, Jules Muksheria alias M. Jujilang, Silent Borgoyari alias S. Sibithau, and Rajesh Nazari alias N. Railang. Bhaigya was the self-styled cultural secretary of the Bodo rebel outfit. The security team also recovered 1 M16 assault rifle, 6 7.65 mm pistol, 12 magazines, ammunition, medicines, rations, along with several other world-like administrative stores. Now, the sports news. With an objective to make a healthy life free from drugs, a new gym called Atlas Fitness Center, a branch of Animal Gym, was inaugurated today at Lamshangkuno, Haibongpokpi of Imphal West by the national awardee and founder of Animal Gym, R.K. Biswajit. Speaking to TOMTV, R.K. Biswajit said that the main focus of the gym is to motivate the youth to get involved in healthy activities and to keep them away from drugs. He added that being trained in a gym can also get job opportunities such as becoming a fitness instructor at other health-related centers.
Gym sanagadi mayam nung khange akoina nisasano haimdi yaroi nung phadok yu mayam pharaga mai thadok punsu yaroi ada akoina pamidi masamatumda exercise tawriba sanariba midudi akoini safana saw hairgasu pijergasu yaroi daba aduna akoina maruina nisa thingbagi muhutta angang singje masamatumda manungdagi sanajaraga nisa saw yadaba adugi pandamda hangdoksabani akoiga mayam tawriba government tawrisiga akoiga di wakhalon sam khenajare government ngi nisa je phabiraga angang phubira khopira tawba mayam yawi akoiga angang si yo sanhalaga masamatum nisa saw yadanaba adugi wakhalon da hangdoksabani.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. IEBOB hits back at CM Biren over joining of Congress MLAs into BJP fold remarks. IED exploded at Kakching, no casualties. And historic Requirement Imam Market clean under Swat Survection 2020. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.